Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a 13-month follow-up on an eyebrow transplant repair that we did. And this scientist just flew in from out of state. She used to live in our area and had two no-yield FUEs done for her eyebrows. And that's hard to do. She's got thick African-American hair bulbs, and those things are resilient.
I know. We have done.
And so the fact that she got no yield from those previous FUEs done elsewhere probably means to me they just couldn't find the angle, right? Because those roots, they're strong roots.
Yes, she has
you
really
do pull-ups on those roots if you can get them out.
Definitely, yeah.
So we took a small ellipse, roughly the size of last piece of my finger, little finger, out and sewed it up and left her an almost imperceptible scar from her typical donor area. And then out of that, I think we got 120 or so single hair grafts. And we put them in. And here she is at the end of the case. And then she rolled in here 2 months and already looked good. And I did a little post at that time. And then I heard from her this fall, and she wanted a touch-up. And typically with these eyebrows, we have to do a little touch-up. You can't get those hairs to lay quite flat enough, and certainly in most people, you're working with the skinniest, weakest hairs. When she got here, I didn't think she needed a touch-up at all.
And she did say that she was very, very happy, but she is a little
OCD about
picky about the eyebrows, and there were some little spots, so we ended up putting some more in there to completely fill them up.
Yeah. And then she left the area, and we haven't seen her in follow-up. I imagine we'll see her when she comes back to D.C. for a meeting in a year or two, but she looks good. So take a look at these befores, and then the durings, and then the 1 month pictures, and then the 13-month pictures, and this is what we can typically accomplish with eyebrow reconstruction and repair. Anything you want to add?
Yes, we do eyebrows. We don't do them to make eyebrows thicker. We do them when there's spaces that we can fill in.
And the reason we're reluctant to do them just to make the eyebrows thicker is because eyebrow hair grows like a raindrop kind of way. So the pointy on the end is short, only grows about half an inch long at the most, whereas the hair you work with up here grows as a cylinder and grows a foot and a half long. So it just doesn't match as well. But if you don't have eyebrow hair,
then you're happy to trim them and do all that work. Yeah.
So if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.